Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set OBS Studio for screen recording. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Setting up OBS Studio for screen recording is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to configure OBS Studio for screen recording. Now, launch OBS Studio on your PC. Then, in the main OBS Studio window, under the Scene section, click the plus button to create a new scene. Name the scene as needed, then hit OK. Now, under the Sources section, click the plus button and choose Display Capture from the menu. Then hit OK. A window will appear where you can select the display or monitor you want to capture. Choose the appropriate display and click OK. Now, right-click on the display capture source in the Sources section and choose Transform to adjust position, size, and other settings if needed. Another step: if you want to include audio in your screen recording, click the plus button under the Sources section and choose Audio Output Capture or Audio Input Capture to add your microphone or system audio. Now, how about we configure recording settings? To do this, click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Under the Output tab, choose Recording. Then choose the desired recording path and format. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Now, close the Settings window and return to the main OBS Studio window. Click the Start Recording button to begin recording your screen. Now, if you've done, click the Stop Recording button when you are finished recording. By following these steps, you can set up OBS Studio for screen recording on your PC. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.